feed me. Not motivated anymore. Now the meal is done, the diner was good. The last meal, some proteins, vegetables, carbs, and fats for the next 36 hours. Let's go for the journey of 36 hours of fast. You will follow me in my journey, in my training, and see the good side, the bad side. If like I'm happy or angry, probably hungry the most. And just to share with you some of my day of what I do. Yeah, nothing pretty shit. Now I have some work to hand, and after I can rest, go for my evening routine. See you tomorrow, guys. So I just woke up. Let's see about the weight. Okay, 74.5. The night wasn't really good. It might be complicated about the anger. Because when you're tired, you want to eat, and I feel it when I was in my kitchen. I waited, I drank my glass of water, and after I was like having cravings, I went outside, and now I'm working, getting my sunlight. I will make some little movements to activate my body and give it energy and have a hell of a day of work and a good training after that. Let's go for the fucking day. So it's noon, I made the morning of work. It was really fine, I moved on a lot. I got the clarity, I got the focus. I was like, okay, let's do it. And the glass of water helps to not think about anger. But now, yeah, it's starting. So let's change the environment. Let's go work out and see after if it's better or if it's worse.
Sorry?
It's okay.
I'm just on this one set, and 2 sets on this one.
Okay, fine.
But if you want,
No, it's okay.
So I just ended my session. I wasn't about to make an heavy session, but more about a smart one where I lift some weight for all my body. Just because when you're fasting, you're making autophagy and the body is hitting your muscle if you're not training. So it was more about maintaining my muscular mass and not about to heavy train. I wanted to do it smartly, and because I still have the afternoon to work. And yeah, let's continue the day. So I just stand up from my previous video. I grab my glasses and I'm like, my body knows after I work out, it's time to hit. It definitely is the hard part when your body is yelling, feed me. And at this moment, it will be the mind game. That's all. It's just an information. My body can live without it, but I've still got 2 possibilities. The one is to hit, to get the energy, and the second is to cheat on my mind. Not be bored, think about something else. I don't know yet, but I will definitely find something to do. Hitting is non-negotiable. I don't want to fail this video, to fail you. So yeah, definitely let's go back to work. So it's 5 p.m. and the fast is hitting. My clarity of this morning is gone. My sharp focus, it's like fading. In a new task, I'm like, oh, I have this to do. I don't want to do it. I go into it and I take more time than I will be in a normal time, in a normal moment. So yeah, my brain is empty. I'm not hungry, but I'm not performant as I could be. So yeah, I'm just not motivated anymore. I don't want to work. I just want to rest and to the time to fly. Yeah, it's just normal. I have some things to end to do right now, and after I will stop earlier, rest earlier, and maybe it will be for the best. So see you later. So this is time for a little walk outside. Earlier I went to the sauna. It was pretty nice. Also I decided to go outside to make a walk because first I enjoy it and because my wife is cooking, so it wasn't like possible to just stay to smell, to look at her eating. The problem is at one or two moments I was on social media, on Instagram, and all the ads, all the reels showing me a lot of food because we are like preparing our vacation to find some good addresses, some good restaurants. And it's just like I'm looking about food when I'm like fasting and I'm fucking starving. So it's pretty annoying, you know. So basically, just having a walk, just thinking and sometimes talking can help about the thoughts and the vision. It's sometimes important to make a step back. And this is just the thing with fasting. It's not hard anymore, I'm not hungry. But the moment you have the smells, you have the texture in your mouth, and you're enjoying the moment, I miss it. It will be like fine to have it back tomorrow for sure. So about the fasting and all the journey about that, it reminds me of a book I read. It's from Hermann Hesse, and the book is called Siddhartha. So it's in India. As you know, in India there is the caste, and you can't move from the caste. You need to stay in there and to follow the path. He is in religion poor, and his journey is about to just travel. He wants to move, and he moves to become his own path, his own world. And with time, he starts to succeed, to meet good people, people who make him wealthy. And so yeah, at this moment, he is like enjoying life, having a lot of stuff, having house and everything anyone can ask for. But at this moment, he realized it wasn't the goal. It's at the moment he decided to leave that he just find that the thing that was usual, so the starvation and to be patient and other stuff like that. He was like, oh, I lose everything. I lose my patience. I lose the fact that I can not eat for days, maybe weeks. And at this moment, it was just like, okay, this is not the goal. This is not how I want to end my life. So he decided to go back to a peaceful and humble life without any wealth. At this moment, it was definitely the most happy guy. He started to have family and everything else, and that was his best moment. So definitely, I think in our modern world, we are like just not enjoying the moment anymore. We are like in social medias, we are having good times, and that's fine. But we can't starve, we can't be patient anymore. To do fasting is like something, it reminds me the state, the book, and what is really our journey, and that's still the question. We just want to create our family and to be peaceful with that. So I think it's definitely the journey. So it's 10 p.m. time to go home and to take some rest, to enjoy the evening routine and to be peaceful about it, to have a good night. Because yeah, it was a big day, big busy day, made a lot and definitely want to enjoy some food. This journey is something. It's interesting. We'll talk later about what's the future. We'll go further in the fasting, try more things to see how it can go. Come on, guys, see you. If we do next fasting like for 3 days or for a week, I could be like in a better gym. For that, come on part 2. It will be a pleasure to do it, to suffer for you. And we finally are here, 8 a.m., 36 hours of fast. I was thinking the night will be terrible because I'm hungry and it will probably disturb my sleep. But not at all. I slept well. I wasn't hungry until the moment I start thinking about it. And now it's time to prepare it. So this is the morning. Let's do the weight. Okay, I lost 1 kilogram, water and food in stomach, empty stomach. Attends, je vais pas lancer. Oh, l'idiot. So I was so focused about the food, so I forgot to record. So yeah, I started the meal and it's awesome. It's really the food, the feeling, the taste. That's wonderful. So the breakfast is done. It was really nice. I enjoy it. It's like my favorite food: eggs, avocado toast, milk, yogurt, a banana. And my stomach will probably be nice to digest that and to enjoy the day. So that was 36 hours in real life, not in a perfect scenario, not on a race day for Instagram. No, it was while training, while working, and while having a shit of life. So I have to recap some steps really important to have a good fast. Number 1, start small, 12 to 16 hours, 24 hours, then 36 or more. But you need to go step by step. Number 2, hydration. It's the most important thing if you want to succeed about the fast. Because if you're not doing it, you could have health issue and other problems. Number 3, plan your fast around your schedule. It will be like important to make it when you're like just having work, just living life, not when it's the most important week of your life, when you need to have peak performance or to be at your best. Also, number 4, you need to expect the dip because it will happen. It's normal, it's your body reaction. You'll be in the mood, you'll be unmotivated, hungry a lot, but it will be healthy for your body. Number 5, and the last one, break the fast properly. You need to do it well because it will be important to not destroy your digestive system eating shit. That's it. So fasting isn't a magic pill. It won't fix a shit diet or to not train, but it will be a powerful tool for your mental clarity, your flexibility, for your metabolism and your discipline. Try it once. You have nothing to lose about it and you'll know yourself better. So now, tell me in the comments what you think about it. Also, if you want to see real life experiments and vlogs, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and I'll see you in the next vlog, in the next video. Now, go try to fast.